Okay, in this video, we're going to go over what a Dialogflow agent is and how we can create our first one. If you don't already have a Google account or you're not already logged into Dialogflow, then pause the video for a minute, do that, and then come back. Okay, so a Dialogflow agent is basically just another word for project or container, wrapper, etc. All of those would be synonymous with agent. And our agent just allows us to take in a natural user request via either text or voice, and then spit out something that can be used by the requester either to continue the conversation that we've been having with them or to help them complete some part of the tasks that they're trying to do. Now, to set up an agent, this would be the easiest part of the project. We just come up, click Create Agent. We'll give the agent a name. And then you can choose your default time zone and then choose your default language. I'm going to leave it with English, but if you're using something other than English, then you can do so here. I click Create. Now this is going to take a minute to populate, and once it's done, we'll see on the left-hand side of the Dialogflow console, all of our options appear. And we're also going to be brought immediately into the intents workspace, and that's likely done because we spend most of our time in Dialogflow working with intents. And you'll notice that when our agent is finished, the first thing that we'll see is our default welcome and our default fallback intents. And if you don't know what an intent is, don't worry, we're going to cover that fully in the next video. Okay, so we've just finished up, and you can see here is our default fallback intent and our default welcome intent, and we can actually go ahead and start testing out our agent. And because we have these first two intents, we can say something like hi, and we'll see here that the user has said hi, and that we get this response, greeting, and that's coming from the default welcome intent. And if we give it something that it doesn't know, like, I want to eat pizza. Notice, I missed what you said, say it again. It's coming from the default response. The intent is the default fallback intent. And we have a working agent. And in the next video, we'll go over how to create our first intent.